My Instagram account was hacked, and I'm going to explain how that happened, how to prevent it from happening, and how I got it back. About a month ago, I received an email on my professional address from Meta. Well, I thought that it was from Meta, saying that I was eligible for a verified badge. You know, that's the little blue tick. When that email landed, it didn't really raise any concerns because I actually applied for that verified badge. I won a color grading award recently, and that was documented on Specialized Press. And I uploaded a bunch of articles. I uploaded my link to this YouTube channel that I host. So when I read this email coming from an address that looked legit, I fell for it. I was actually genuinely happy. I thought like, yes, finally, you know, I can have this little blue tick. It's going to look pretty cool, right? So I clicked. That's how I landed on a verified badges center page, and I entered my login detail and password and clicked. And then it turned to, all our representatives are currently busy. Please wait to be connected. Wait for 5 minutes. So I waited. I was genuinely so excited about that. Then on the same day, I just couldn't log into my IG account. I just landed on a page that said, your Instagram account has been permanently deactivated. And that's how I started to understand how that might have happened. Like, all right, that was probably a phishing email. That's about when I received an email from a hacker saying, hello, I gained access to your Instagram account. If you want to get it back, please pay me 450 quid. And yeah, so I was hacked. I'm usually so cautious when I receive emails, SMS, whatever, you know, from scammers and so on, and it just never happened to me. I usually warn my mom and my loved ones about that kind of ongoing schemes that are happening nowadays, and these are better designed year by year. It's very hard to discern a fake email from a real one anymore. I mean, it's a lot more difficult than it was 5 years ago. Then I obviously looked up on the internet about what to do in that kind of situation when your Instagram account gets hacked. And I landed on a page from Meta, which is instagram.com/hacked. You click on it, there's a form they have to fill up, and then you keep your fingers crossed, and then you might get your Instagram account back. It's kind of an automatic procedure that detects which new devices has gained access to your account, and it kind of ejects them, and then you can restore your account basically. But for me, it just didn't work. And actually what the hacker did was to change my age on my Instagram account to less than 13 years old. And the French law prevents people under 13 to have a social media account. It kind of triggers something on Instagram, and then your account gets automatically banned. There's nothing you can do about it. So I kept checking. I landed on Reddit, and that's how I found this really interesting thread where someone was explaining exactly just the same story that happened to me. So his Instagram account got hacked, the automatic hacked procedure to recover it from Meta just didn't work. So he actually, through his Facebook account, subscribed to the Meta verified program just to get the blue tick, but he went through Facebook to do it, paid for it, and then he was able to chat with a Meta agent. He was able to have a conversation with a real human being, which if you don't have that blue tick and if you don't subscribe to the Meta verified program, you just can't have access to a human being. So he's uploaded his passport, he talked with a Meta agent, and he managed to get his account back. And I was able to do exactly that since I still had access to my Facebook account. So I just subscribed to the Meta verified program. I got that blue tick on my Facebook, right? And I was able to chat with a Meta agent. Then I was asked to upload screen grabs from everything, right? The email, the error message that popped up when I tried to log in on my Instagram account. Then that person from Meta said that he passed this case to a dedicated team which was responsible to recover hacked Instagram accounts. And after a week with no news, I sent an email again to the Meta team asking about the case, and I would get the same answer week after week. Yes, it's still underway. Our team are facing a lot of cases these days, so you have to be patient. We're still on it. And after a month of wait, finally, someone from Meta called me back. And that person sent me a link to change my age on my IG account from less than 13 to my real age. I had to upload my passport photo and all that. He was pretty hopeful and said that, well, once we change your age back to the real one, you will be able to go through that hacked procedure form and it should restore your Instagram account back. So I waited a couple days, tried the hacked form again, like the person from Meta suggested, and this time still didn't work. Same message again. Your account has been permanently deactivated. So I sent emails again, nobody was answering, and after about a week, I was called back by that same person from Meta, which said, I'm sorry, but I've tried everything in my power. If I had a magic button to restore your Instagram account back, I would do it because it would make your life easier and mine too. But I don't have this power, and the dedicated team is saying that you'll probably never get your Instagram account back. You should probably start from scratch and just create a new page. And I was a little bit devastated at that point because I've had this IG account for, I don't know, about probably 10 years. It was a tool for me, an online portfolio to reach new clients, get some jobs and so on for my professional color grading practice. So the idea of just starting from scratch was just not possible in my mind. It would be a real hit for my business, right? So I asked the guy, well, do you know if I pay the hacker, is he going to be able to restore my account, or is that total bluff? He said, no, that's total bluff. Don't pay him. There is literally nobody who can recover your Instagram account but us at this point, and we can probably never do it. So yeah, that's it. It's just done. And a couple days prior to that call, I tried again to file up a request on my Facebook Meta verified page, and this time it went to the US team because it was off French business hours, so it just asked me if I wanted to do it in English this time instead of French. I said yes, and just answered a couple questions, and that case was still open. It was just not closed, and it was my last hope. Then I tried again that hacked form, and this time I was on it. I was just logged in. So I just quickly changed my password. I enabled the two-factor authentication, and I just couldn't believe it. I was like, okay, my account is live. I called a friend just to ask him, hey, do you see my account live? Can you have access to it? Like, if you look for my Instagram handle, are you able to find me? And he said, yeah, you're live, it's on. I was like, oh my God, cool, amazing. So yeah, that's basically how I got my Instagram account back, and yeah, it took over a month, and I was very relieved. So my advice for you guys to prevent your Instagram accounts or anything else to get hacked, just one, assume that emails that you receive to log in are just scams. It should be red flags for you guys. Just call or contact their service, the actual real service, when in doubt, to just check if they actually really sent you such an email, because hackers will need your login and password in order to hack you, and that's a way to get these details from you. Second, you have to enable the two-factor authentication. When you're trying to log in on your Instagram account from another device, let's say a hacker tries, right? You're going to receive a notification on your phone or another device to approve that connection. And if you don't recognize that device, if it's not you, then it's protecting you from that. Third, you have to use a unique password for each website or service that you're using. Because if you're using the exact same password everywhere, if a hacker gains access to your login details, he has access to pretty much everything, right? And you don't want that to happen. So a free way to do that is to use the Bitwarden app, which is available on Android or PC. You can also use the Password app if you're on macOS or iOS, which is also free. And that is going to make sure you have a bulletproof password for each account. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it's going to help you not get hacked, because I've been there and it's been fairly unpleasant. Protect yourself, guys, and be extra cautious. Share this video to the people around you, because we need to spread the word. And I'll see you in the next video. If you're interested in color grading tips and tutorial, subscribe. I have a ton of content here. That's it for today, guys. I will see you in the next one. Salut, prenez soin de vous.